Guys, in this video I'm going to show you amazing strategy that you can use to scalp the boom and crash market without having losses all the time. All right, so guys, let us dive into the video and then see what is going to happen right here. So if you have been looking for a strategy that you are used to scalp the market, I think you have found the right strategy. All right, so let me show you guys how this strategy works. It's a very simple strategy. All you need to have is just two setups and you are good. We have the window indicator and then we have the main chart indicator. So guys, it's just amazing. This is a simple strategy that you do not want to miss, and we are using a 5 minutes time frame for this particular strategy. All right, it's simple. Okay, it's been a long time I posted strategy like this, but today I just decided to post it because I feel like I saw this strategy and it's amazing. All right, it's amazing. All right, guys, now let us examine how to use the indicator. If you want to get this strategy, it is free. All right, and I'll show you guys how to get it for free. Or as simple as that. So, but before then, you must be a subscriber on the chat on this channel. Hit on the subscribe button, like the video, and put a comment down there on the comment section, and I will attend to it as soon as possible. Okay, guys. Now let us check how the indicator works. You see that this thing is not lagging, or it's not repenting. Now, first off, what we are going to do for the first time is that we are going to be looking at the main chart. That's the first thing we are going to be looking at. We want to check the main chart to see that this particular line on the main chart here is actually a moving average on the main chart right there, and then it has, you see that the price has to be crossing below that particular place. Remember, we are using M5 as the time frame. All right, I'm using M5 as the time frame. So once that particular uh, cross has happened on the main charts, then the next thing should be looking at for is the window indicator. Look at this. We want to look at this particular place here to see that it's also crossing below. Right, you see that there's a cross here below. So we want to see that cross is happening right there. At the same time, if you watch that, if you have gotten this entry confirmation, you are good, you are safe to take your entry. You are very much safe to take your entry, right? And that is crazy, guys. That is just amazing. So how much how what is your take profit? What is going to be your take profit? Okay, now if you have gotten the entry like this, the take profit is simple. You can take, this is 5 minutes time, you can take up to 5 to 10 candlestick. Remember, that is a long movement. So if you catch one of these trades in a day, you have made yourself a very big money, because you are going to be catching, we are taking up to 5 to 10 candlestick. This five, remember that we are on M5, which means one candlestick is 5 minutes. So 5 candlestick is 25 minutes. Then if you're able to catch 10 candlestick, you're having 50 pips. That is 50 candlestick, which is in a 1 minute time frame. All right, but we are using M5. So let us check if we're able to catch that particular candlestick right about here. Okay, I'm going to be using this thing. If you see here, we have, let me use an arrow so that we can get what we are talking about. So we have, this is where it closed below, right? That's where it's closed below. So now if we should count the candlestick from there, we have the, let me draw it down. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Guys, we caught 10 candlestick, 11, but we are going for 5 to 10. So if you can go for 5 6 7 8, it dependent on you. So now we are able to catch up to 10 candlestick on this particular trade alone. Then we'll close it, and we are looking for another entry. Now look at this point here. This particular one, they did not hit the level of the level that we need to reach. All right. So, and also, even though there's a cross here, even though there is actually a cross here, but because this particular one, they did not get to the point, so we will ignore it. Okay, we will ignore that particular entry until we have our trade triggered. Now that is the first one. Right, now let us check for another particular another chart pattern, right? All right, so now this particular session here, if we check this particular session here, we are going to be seeing something happening here. If we look here very closely, you are seeing that there is already we have the cross right there, right? And then we also have the cross right here. So we are looking for the crossover where the market actually has broken out, and then so this is a perfect entry, and we are going for what, 5 to 10 candlestick, right? So now if you check here closely, you are seeing that it's already valid right here. Very valid. This one is coming down from the level of 85, and then this one is coming down from the level of the level in the main chart, right? So right about that this is entry has been confirmed. Our entry has just been confirmed. So what are we going to be doing? We're going to be taking our candlestick from right about it. So all these things here is our entry point, our trade position, right? So inside here is all where our trades has been made. That's where all our trade has been made. So let us see how many candlestick we're able to catch with this particular movement that happened here. So let us see that here is where it closed below here. So we enter start from here. One, two, three, four. So this one's capped, spiked, but did not. It spike from there. Then let us say four here. So start from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We still cut on that 10 candlestick before the market moved against us. But to be on the safer side, you can just go between 5 and 5 and above. You see that it's actually retested but still move our targets. So if you catch this one trade, if you catch just one trade in the whole day, you are good to go. If you have a bigger equity and then you catch one trade and you not come better loss size, you use big loss size, you are good for the day, right? So let us check another entry that did not play out. Let us see how this one played out. Let us see the here now. Here now we had the entry already confirmed. You see, we have the entry as there is a close below here. There is a movement below here. So that means this entry has already confirmed for us based on the strategy. The entry has been confirmed. But let us see if we're able to get our target that we want. Let us see if we're able to get anything reasonable. So we are supposed to be entering the market right from when the thing closed. So as we enter immediately, the market spiked against us. As we entered, the market spiked against us. So this one actually did not go well for us. It did not really go well. So this one was a bad one. Yeah, this one did not play out. So you see that it's not 100% accurate, but it has a higher winning rate. A high winning rate. You lose less and you make more. So there is no strategy or concept that guarantees 100% win on any trade. Okay, so now this one happened like this, and we had a loss here. So let's move ahead and see the next trade that we had. Okay, let us see the next trade. So we had a trade here. We had a trade here, even though it wanted to play out, wanted to make some movement that did not want to work out. Look at this first one. This is where the entry has already made somewhere here, and then somewhere here. See that? So this is where the entry has been made. Well, normally our SL is supposed to be above the high, the recent high that formed. That is supposed to be the XL, right? So now let us assume that the entry was supposed to be when there's a close here, right? So the SL is supposed to be above the recent high, which is somewhere here. Okay, so the market did not actually hit our XL, and the stop loss, that the movement that moved there, the movement that it has moved is I think 20 to 30 pip movements against us. But regardless, the market came back and gave us our targets. It gave us all the way down, all the way down. All these ones here is now our profit. So we made we a success right here. That's a success in that trade, right? That's amazing. That is just amazing. Okay, so now we can check more on this trade, check more of these things, and then you see how everything is going to is happening right there. Okay, so we also had a trade here. There's a trade here, and what happened? Actually, we got at least 5 candlestick here. We got at least 5 candlestick on that one. So that's just it. If you check more, you see more trades. Even though sometimes it might be ranging, it might be going up and down, but then it will still play out nicely. Now look at this one. There is a trade here. as a trade here, even though there was all these spikes happening right here, but the SL did not happen, the XL did not hit. And then what happened? It take profit. So guys, this indicator is top notch. Is a very nice, is a very nice strategy that you want to lay your hands on, because it's very profitable, and it has a high winning rate, right? It has a very high winning rate. Okay, so if you want to get this indicator, I want to drop this indicator right here, but it's only for those that are on my Telegram channel. So if you want to get this indicator, kindly join the Telegram channel. The link on this video description, right? You can join the Telegram channel and you're able to get this indicator right there. I'll post the indicator right there. Once this video gets up to 100 view, I'm going to post the indicator on the Telegram channel, the settings. All right, so if you see this and you feel like you can guess it out, you can go and try and guess it out. Just let us see if you can get the right indicator. All right, but what is on the main chart here is moving average. All right, and on the window indicator is RSI and another indicator. All right, so that's just about that. All right, that this is a mighty and very mind-blowing indicator. Don't forget to subscribe. First thing, subscribe, like the video, and comment on the comment section in the strategy. Comment on the comment section, set the settings of the indicator. Then send me a message on Telegram. Join the Telegram channel and you get this indicator for free. All right, for free. All right, now in the next video we'll talk about another plastic indicator that you need to add to your trading cycle. Remember, all that I'm posting here, you can just choose one of them that suits your trading style and master it and be using it for yourself. You don't need to use all of them. You can just use the one that you can use, that you feel like you are safe with. All right, see you in the next video. Until then, I remain HumbleFx. Enjoy.